So hi guys, welcome to bestofteacher.com. Today in this video I am going to show you how to file 15H form in Kotak Bank. If you have any FD or RD kind of things in your bank account, you need to file 15H form, otherwise TDS will deduct from your FD when you withdraw or from interest. So to do this, first you need to log in your Kotak Bank account. I already logged in. In desktop I am opening. From mobile you can also do that. Just search here 15H and click that form 15G and H. So here all my FDs are there. Just click all and click on submit. In this page you need to answer some question like that: are you assessed to income tax under income tax 1961? No. Okay, leave that. Estimated total income from current year, you just need to write, and your email ID, just put your email ID, and after that click on I have read and understood the declaration and click on confirm. Okay, I just need to write 4 lakhs and it's successfully done. You can download the certificate. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.